ministers.
So Tim and Carrie, off you go.
Come in.
Thank you very much.
Take a seat.
Thank you.
Now, what seems to be the trouble?
Well, I don't know, I'm feeling rather up and down these days.
Yeah, life's pretty hectic. I mean, I don't go off the rails, it'd mean losing my job.
It's true, yeah.
How long has this been going on?
A long time, actually,
Yeah.
but not as long as you think it's going to be.
Solution to the global recession, she sets off on a 6-country tour to prove it. Coming this week from the United States, this is Tina C's Global Depression Tour from January 2012.
Hey, y'all, I'm Tennessee. It's a difficult time, so checking in. Our fiscal strategies will help you win. Tennessee's global depression tour. Global depression tour.
Hell yeah. Hi Ben, hi Tim, hi Hank. It's Tina. I'm going to keep a diary and send it to you from time to time to show y'all how determined I am to win this bet. When I tell folks that I challenged Timothy Geithner, the Secretary for the Treasury, Ben Bernanke, Chairman of the Federal Reserve, and Hank Paulson, former Secretary of the Treasury and ex-CEO of Goldman Sachs, that I could come up with an answer to the global
Oh, it's all about you, isn't it? Take. What's that mining?
If somebody burnt them down. Because it can happen. There are many trees around those showrooms, and nobody has raked the ground in years. And I know some people, bad people, who can make bad things happen. Sadly, because of the Mueller inquiry, I can't get in touch with them anymore.
Is meeting hard reality and coming off worse. The Chancellor and the Governor of the Bank of England both predicted that all forms of Brexit would make the country poorer, and various Tory MPs